Hi, boys and girls. So excited to be with you to do our daily calendar review. All right, so yesterday we finished another repeating portion of our pattern. So we had a sun, a flower, and a flower, or A, B, B. Now it's getting ready to repeat again. So how are we going to start? What shape are we going to use? A sun. Yes. Excellent. So we are doing a sun again. So today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Excellent. And if today is Wednesday, that means yesterday was Tuesday and tomorrow will be Thursday. Awesome. All right, today is the 13th. What was the day before? The 12th. And what is the day after? The 14th. Good stuff. All righty. Moving on to our spiral review, I'm going to click on Wednesday. Is this picture showing fair shares? Give it a check if it is, or an X if it's not. What do you think? I think that this piece is smaller than this piece, so it is not showing fair shares. So I would have given that an X. All right, here's our part whole question for today. Go ahead and write that sentence down using my mat. All righty, so in the first box, how many do you see? How many do you see over here? I see 2, so I would put 2. And how many do you see here? 3. So I have 2 and 3. Now, how many is that all together? 2 and 3 is 5. Excellent, y'all. My 5 is a little smushy. Sorry. All right, my next question. What is 1 more than 48? Get that number down. Moni, stop. Sorry, my dog's being naughty. 48. What's coming next? Let me know. All right, boys and girls, what do you think comes after 48? 49. Good. And if I'm writing a 49, I'm going to put a 4 and a 9. All right. Here's my last question. Oh, that's a lot of community helpers. How many doctors do you see? How many doctors do you see? I'm going to give you some time to check. Let's go ahead and do this one together to find out how many doctors we see. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get my highlighter out and give them a little check just to make sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22. There are 22 doctors on my page. All right, boys and girls, that is it for today. I love you. I miss you, and I will see you so soon. Bye-bye.